G'day, it's Matty Mack here from HCC Distributions, the company responsible for the importation of the TA2 racing platform into Australia and also the administration of the TA2 Muscle Car Series and Trans Am Series. Now, due to unprecedented growth of both racing series over the last couple of years, we've had to up our game when it came to on-track parts support for our customers. We've gone from a rigid truck right up to a full semi-trailer. Now, that posed some challenges. We needed to outfit the inside of the trailer. So we reached out to our technical partners, Hare and Forbes Machineryhouse, and I'll take you inside and we can show you what they've given us. When it comes to all the big ticket items of a race car, whether it be engine, gearbox, differentials, axles, they're really quite easy to transport. We just put them in the belly lockers of the trailer. But it's all the small stuff, all the intricate details that you need to keep a race car reliable out on circuit. That's quite hard to manage. So we reached out to Hare and Forbes Machineryhouse and we asked them for a solution, and this is what they've given us. And it's absolutely perfect and super simple. It's a roll cab system that enables our parts staff to roll them out at the end of a race meeting, refresh them inside the workshop and bring them back in ready for the next race meeting. So it's a very simple concept. Everything has its place within a drawer, it's organised and it's categorised. Whether you need a screw or a nut or even a tail light for a Mustang TA2 car. Hare and Forbes have enabled us to be a fast, efficient race shop on the road for our customers. So not only have Hare and Forbes Machineryhouse knocked it out of the park for the inside of our trailer, but I'm happy to say that they've joined HCC Distributions as our official workshop partner for the TA2 Racing Series and also for the Trans Am Series. In 2025, this race shop is going to see some fabulous toys from Hare and Forbes Machineryhouse.